Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix security restrictions problem that says please try again from this device after 72 hours. So guys, if you're trying to delete or deactivate your Snapchat account but you're facing this message and you're unable to delete your Snapchat account on your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings in your device, and after this scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below and tap on Snapchat from here, and offload your Snapchat app for one time from here. So I do this, and after this go back to your home screen and now open your app store in your device and search here for Snapchat from here. So I search here for Snapchat, and after this you have to download and install the latest version of Snapchat in your device, and after this go back and open your Snapchat again and again try to delete your account from the latest version of app. So guys, if you are still facing this problem, then you have to open any browser and search here for support.snapchat. So guys, here you can see this, tap on this, again tap on Snapchat support, and from here you have to select your reason of problem whichever you are facing right now. So guys, from here you have to select the reason, and after this you have to submit this report to the Snapchat team. So I submit this report regarding this problem that you are unable to delete or deactivate your account, and whichever you are facing the problem you have to discuss with the Snapchat team. So as hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this you will be able to delete your Snapchat account on your device. So as hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. That's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.